Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Want to do a real quick overview crypto news update for you, kind of tell you what I'm seeing this morning. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Here's where we're at. So yesterday we had a crazy great day with the market rising from about 1.9-ish trillion well over to 2 trillion, probably 2.09 or so, give or take, something like that. And just a massive run up. We had, Bitcoin rising dramatically, Ethereum rising dramatically, etc. Okay. What I'm seeing today is a little bit of kind of what I'm thinking of, and what I kind of look at it as is almost like a cooling off period, almost like a rest. And it's what it feels like for sure. When you're kind of looking at the massive run up we had, people were like, whoa, we kind of just got to pump the brakes a little bit, because, it would be awesome, but you can't just be running up every single day. I wish that was how it would, because then it would be really easy, right? You just put money in, and it just goes up continuously forever. Well, we all know that's not the reality. And the reality is that you can look at, like, right here, like the Bitcoin chart right here and the Ethereum chart, and you get a very clear picture of what is happening. You had a massive run up right here where my cursor is, and then you had, Bitcoin and Ethereum almost exactly the same charting, massive run up, and then literally just boom. Now we're going to go sideways for just a little bit. And what I want to see happen is I want to see continued green days. It's okay if it's a, like right here, if it's a, almost like 1 or 2% up, come like that. It's a Saturday. People are kind of taking a little bit of a breather right now. Saturday for me, I know I have a global audience, so you may be your Sunday or what have you, but you get my point. And I definitely think that this is the beginning of a bull run. And what has to happen is we have to get consumer confidence back in the overall crypto market. And for that to happen, and for that consumer confidence to equate or equal people starting to put their money back in, we have to have some green days, back to back, for people to go, oh, okay, it's kind of back, and now it's safe to come back into the waters, if you will. Safe to come back into the ocean. Okay, the crypto ocean. There you go. And so that has to happen, and I'm hopeful that that's going to continue to transpire. So right here, right now, definitely cool with this like kind of resting day, and hopefully we'll continue to get kind of moving up gradually as we roll along. Again, Bitcoin, Ethereum doing nice things respectively. Cardano, again, just up about 1%. Just kind of look real quickly. XRP is doing okay. Solana is doing kind of what I expected to do. It's definitely running a little bit harder in the overall market, regaining a lot of that ground that it had basically lost with the bearish push down in the overall market conditions as of the last 2 or 3 plus weeks. Dogecoin's up 2%, looking good there, on its way back up to 25 cents and then 30 cents. Uniswap continues to do well. Let me look real quickly. I wanted to see here. Yeah, I kind of thought this was happening. Axie Infinity came out and said that they're starting their own exchange, which was really interesting. I want to see how that situation develops. I'm very bullish on them. OMG continues to do really well. Theta is running up nicely. Tezos is running up nicely. I own Tezos. That's good. I like to see that. Ren is running up nicely. Good, looks good there too. So everything is definitely moving up, and I definitely think that as long as we can kind of continue to see green days, we will continue to see movement like this. So every now and then you may want to go over there and check out kind of what's moving and what's hot. But I think all of the major cryptos, Cardano and everything else, Solana, XRP, all those should continue to rise just incrementally today, and we should see some nice movement up. As always, need to make you aware, Patreon, links in the description below. Check it out if you're interested. If you want help, you want me to look at your portfolio, give you help, I would love to. You can see my portfolio. You can become part of a community. We'd love to have you there. And at $20, is $20 worth it to you to get some help, some guidance, and not be alone in this crypto journey? Hopefully it is, and you'll give me a chance. And I do have a pay annually option here if you're interested. Save some money. I would love to see you join. Like I said, wrapping up, I definitely think that today will probably be a slow day, and I think that as long as we kind of can see this green positive movement overall in the overall market conditions, then we should not see some nice daily gains over time and overall build a really strong base for this market kind of beginning of this bull run, and get those retail consumer dollars coming back in, not to mention institutional dollars, not to mention all this, just all of the billions and billions of dollars that are sitting on the sidelines right now. That's what I'm waiting to see come back in, because when that happens, boom, we're off and running. All right, thank you, and thanks for your support, and I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.